time do you get up?
Oh, I get up very early. I get up every day at 5 o'clock. I have a big breakfast. Cereals, toast, bacon and eggs, and orange juice. At 11 o'clock, I go to university. I'm studying sports science. I have lunch at about 2 o'clock at the university.
What do you do after classes?
Sometimes I go to the gym, and sometimes I meet my friends at a cafe. I have dinner at 7 o'clock. Then I watch TV or go online, and I usually go to bed at 10 o'clock.